My name is Lydia Mrutu. I've worked for Envirofit for a year now. A businesswoman has no standard income. Today, days are good, the next day, days are bad. Before we supplied her with SmartGas, she used to use charcoal and kerosene. So it was not healthy for her, and it was even expensive. She's a businesswoman, so she has less time to be at home. Cooking, maybe preparing meals for the family, since she has to go out and look for money.
Normally, when we are using charcoal is more expensive. Paraffin is more expensive, but at least when you have 50 bob, you can buy and use it. You know, at times it gets finished when you don't have money. And when you don't have money, then you look so poor and you become so frustrated.
SmartGas is an amazing technology because with as little as 50 shillings, one can be able to make a meal. And they can top up anywhere they want. When I arrive at the client house, I install the meter. I take her through the safety check. I also teach her on the safety use of gas. After that, we do the top up and I leave the client to continue enjoying the service. But after we have given her the SmartGas, life became more easier for her. She could go out, do her business, come in the evening, prepare meals for her family, which is fast because it's gas, and it's also clean and it's healthy and it's very affordable. SmartGas is amazing because it makes it possible for anyone to cook with the gas.
But this one, when you have 50 bob, you have 100 bob, you cook for your children, your grandchildren, all will be well.
So when SmartGas came, I really like it because at your comfort zone, you get the services done. Each time there's a problem, you ring and the customer care are very careful and the staff are very, very cooperative. Within a second, they are here in the house and they do all the necessary things. Now I have no more stress in cooking. I don't use any more charcoal. I don't use any more paraffin stove. I don't use any Meko stove again. I use only SmartGas.
I know I have the power to bring change in someone's life. I feel very good, meaning that I've changed a life of a client. It's not just about work. This is passion.